Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a card vanish. We will begin by exploring the core principles that underpin this classic illusion. You will learn about the crucial role of hand positioning and how a secure grip is essential for a convincing vanish. Furthermore, we will delve into the art of misdirection, a powerful tool that guides your audience's attention away from the secret move. Mastering these foundational elements is your first step towards becoming a skilled card magician, creating truly astonishing moments for your viewers. Now, let's dive into the classic palm, a cornerstone technique for vanishing a card. This method involves holding the card flat against your palm, secured by the natural curve of your hand and the pressure from your pinky and thumb. The key is to make this hold appear completely natural and effortless. Practice the subtle movement of transferring the card from your fingertips into this palmed position, ensuring it happens in a fraction of a second. Consistent repetition will build the muscle memory needed for a flawless execution. Next, we explore the thumb palm, another effective technique for making a card disappear. With this method, your thumb plays a primary role, pressing the card against the base of your fingers and palm. It offers a slightly different angle of concealment and can be very deceptive when performed correctly. Focus on making the movement fluid and unforced, as if you are simply gesturing with an empty hand. This technique requires careful practice to ensure the card remains completely hidden from all angles, even close up. Consistent practice is paramount for perfecting your card vanishes. Aim for at least 15 minutes of dedicated practice each day, focusing on smooth, unhurried movements. Remember, misdirection is your best friend. Use it to draw attention away from the actual vanish. A simple glance or a verbal cue can be incredibly effective. Finally, present your magic with confidence and a warm, engaging demeanor. Your belief in the illusion will translate to your audience, making the impossible seem truly real. Keep practicing and enjoy the magic.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.